A secret is being kept. It is a secret whispered in boardrooms and coded in secure messages. They are building a machine. Not a machine of gears and steel, but one of light and thought. The price tag is staggering. Some say $100 billion. Others say it could be 5 times that. The numbers are so large they lose their meaning. This is not a story from a movie. This is happening now. In quiet fields and forgotten industrial parks, a new world is being born. The project has a name. They call it Stargate. It begins in shadow. Deals are made behind closed doors. Non-disclosure agreements are signed. The sheer size of Stargate is difficult to imagine. Think of a football field. Now imagine hundreds of them, laid end to end, all under one roof. Then fill that space with rows upon rows of black metal racks. Each rack is a tower of silent, humming machines. It is a plan for a network of these behemoths, each one more powerful than the last. Monoliths rising from the earth, silent and imposing. These buildings are incredibly thirsty. They consume power on a scale that rivals a major city. Processors generate enormous heat. Vast, complex cooling systems are required. It feels less like a building, more like a living organism. Cables, a circulatory system, fiber optics carrying data at the speed of light. At the very core of these massive data centers, at the heart of Stargate, lies a tiny piece of silicon. It is smaller than your hand, yet it holds the key to this entire revolution. These are not the ordinary chips you find in your laptop or your phone. They are specialized processors, graphics processing units or GPUs, and one company, more than any other, has mastered their creation. That company is NVIDIA. These chips are the engine of artificial intelligence. Originally designed for video games, these NVIDIA chips have a unique ability. They can perform millions of simple calculations all at the same time. An AI model is a neural network, a digital version of a brain with millions of connections. To train it, you have to show it massive amounts of data, books, images, conversations. The GPUs process this data in parallel, finding patterns, adjusting connections. The demand for these chips is like a gold rush, needed by the millions. The heart of the machine must keep beating. No single company could build Stargate alone. It requires an alliance between 2 of the biggest names in technology. On one side, you have OpenAI, the visionaries, the researchers, the ones who create the AI models. They developed the software that stunned the world, the mind behind the machine. On the other side, you have Microsoft, a titan with the money, the infrastructure, the global reach. Microsoft's Azure is one of the biggest data center networks. They provide the foundation. Microsoft has invested billions, locking a deep, complex partnership. It is a symbiotic relationship. OpenAI needs Microsoft's scale. Microsoft needs OpenAI's cutting-edge genius. Together, they plan to build the ultimate AI supercomputer, a machine to train models orders of magnitude larger than today's. This is the core of Stargate. They believe it, once completed around 2028, could lead toward AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, the Holy Grail, the final goal. But the alliance is not without tension. Microsoft must protect and grow Azure. Some ask, partner or future competitor? For now, they move forward together, a 2-headed giant into an unknown future, focused on one goal, to be first to build a true thinking machine. The alliance of OpenAI and Microsoft does not exist in a vacuum. They are in a race, a high-stakes global competition with other giants who have the same ambition. The biggest among them is Google. For years, Google has been a leader in AI research, their own massive data centers, and their own specialized chips designed for AI. They are not standing still. Amazon, with its dominant AWS platform, is also investing heavily. Meta is pouring billions into AI, believing it is the key to its future. Each is building its own version of Stargate, even if they call it something else. All chasing the same prize: leadership in a technology that promises to reshape the world. This is not just a corporate rivalry. It has become a matter of national and international importance. The nation that leads in AI could gain decisive economic and military advantage. A new geopolitics. The geopolitics of computation. Governments now talk about sovereign AI, building their own capabilities to avoid dependence on a handful of companies. The race has already hit roadblocks. An ambitious UK campus was paused over energy costs and regulation. The winner won't just be the fastest, but the one who can navigate this complex new world. Behind the billions and the gigawatts, Stargate is a human story. It is a story of workers in hard hats, laying fiber optic cables in deep trenches. It is a story of truck drivers hauling server racks. Long, lonely highways. Small towns are told they will be hubs of a new world. For some, this is a promise of rebirth. For others, it is the shadow of something unknown. They hear about colossal thirst for water and electricity. Will their bills go up? Will farms have enough water? It can feel like an alien ship has landed in their backyard. Inside, another human story unfolds. The engineers and researchers building new mines. Their values and choices will touch billions. A machine is only as good as its data. If the data is biased, the AI will be biased. The human story is one of opportunity, but also profound responsibility. The work continues. The concrete sets. The servers are installed. The lights begin to blink. Day by day, night by night. The machine grows stronger. Stargate is not just a project. It is a turning point. We are building something that will think faster, learn more, see patterns invisible to us. It will open doors across every field of human endeavor. We stand at a crossroads, powerful tools and powerful challenges, control, safety, purpose. The Stargate will open. It will show us things we have never seen. As we stand at the threshold, one question hangs in the darkness. What will we do with the power to build a god?